In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns to charts in Looker Studio, which is a valuable skill for customizing your data reports. Let's dive into the process and break it down, starting with table and pivot table charts, and then move on to column and bar charts. Let's begin by discussing table and pivot table charts. In these types of charts, what we refer to as columns are actually the dimensions or metrics you choose to display. To add or adjust these columns, you first need to select your table chart within your report. Once you've done that, head over to the Setup tab in the Properties panel. Here, you'll find an option labeled Plus Add Dimension. This feature allows you to include another column for grouping your data, such as by city or device type. Additionally, you have the option to use Plus Add Metric if you want to introduce a numerical column, like sessions or average time on page. Remember, you can add as many dimensions and metrics as you need, with each addition creating its own column in your table. Now, let's talk about some additional settings you can adjust for your table. You can sort your data in a way that best suits your analysis needs. This may involve primary and secondary sorting. For example, you might choose to organize your data by date in ascending order and then by users in descending order. If you right-click on the chart, you'll find options such as auto-sizing all columns, freezing certain sections, or even manually resizing by dragging the column borders to your preferred width. Next, let's transition to column or bar charts. These are traditionally used for representing data trends or making comparisons. However, you can also customize the number of columns or series displayed in these charts to suit your requirements. First, make sure to select a column or bar chart in your report. Within the Setup tab, you'll define what dimension you wish to focus on, such as Product Category. Then, go on to select one or more metrics like Sales or Profit. Each metric you include becomes a separate series or column on the chart. This organization helps provide a clearer comparison between different datasets. Moving on to the Style tab, you might find options that allow you to increase the number of bars or series, depending on the type of chart you're working with. This feature can help you display more categories simultaneously, which can be particularly useful for extensive data analysis. Additionally, you can choose how to display your data. You might prefer a grouped format, with columns side by side for clear delineation, or as a stacked display if you need a cumulative view of your metrics. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively utilize Looker Studio to add columns to both table and bar charts, customizing your reports to best analyze and present your data.